Synapse XT Tinnitus Relief Review. Happy Emoji Health and Wellness is happy to present a video on Synapse XT Tinnitus Relief Review. We hope you like, subscribe, and smash the bell. If your ears are ringing, listen up. Did you know this is a symptom far worse than tinnitus? Are you about ready to get rid of those annoying sounds? Say goodbye to poor hearing, your mind failing, and memory deteriorating? Synapse XT Review. No scam, fake news, or side effects, truth be known. Time is valuable and so is a natural healthy product. Synapse XT Tinnitus Relief Review. Synapse XT Tinnitus Relief brings together a powerful mix of herbs and ingredients. Researched and studied, to work in synergy, for powerful health benefits, brain and hearing. Supporting memory, hearing and focus, it helps with the communication, brain. The network between your brain cells is minimized, to reduce brain fatigue signs. All the while supporting perception of sounds and senses. It is a marvelous wonder to transform your life. Yes, you can have it, with thinking clear, and ring-free hearing tinnitus gone. Did you know it's reported, 1 in 5 Americans suffer from tinnitus, and hearing loss? Dr. Joseph Barnes, an island neurologist, did a detailed research on hearing loss and tinnitus. He discovered chronic tinnitus and hearing loss passes the ear, and goes right inside the brain. Rather than a problem with the ears, it's a problem with the connections. The connection between your brain cells, in network communication. Found in the part of the brain that processes sounds, in medical terms, auditory cortex. Tinnitus and hearing loss is a network disease, the billions of neurons connecting in your brain. The buzz you're hearing is the buzz of the communication lines. A jam in the communication lines lowers the intensity of outside sounds as well. The communication lines are called synapses in medical terms. When your synapses are not functioning well, they cannot relay information properly. That is, from one brain cell to another, leading to weak brain signals. To get to the root cause for the cure, Barnes experiments on the brain, and found a common link. Namely, chronic inflammation of the nerve cells are affected, in all cases across the spectrum. The normal aging process has a tendency to strain your nerves and tissues in your brain. Your brain reacts with inflammation, causing increased pressure inside your skull. This is the cause for a network failure, resulting in hearing loss. Along with brain fog, headaches, memory loss, and ringing in the ears tinnitus. For combat, quality ingredients for the formula were obtained and crafted at a GMP-certified facility. A special hibiscus, one of 230 in the species, found in Kunlun Mountains of Tibet, was used. It helps calms the nervous system and is absolutely essential for combining with ingredients. Hawthorn berry, garlic and specific B vitamins to support and maintain brain health. These powerful ingredients are combined with rosemary, magnesium, and potassium. A potent product, Synapse XT Tinnitus Relief, review, was born. Its purpose is to repair years of brain deterioration. The powerful combination of ingredients act like a super steroid for your brain. Brain food supplement, Synapse XT, repairs cells, feeds, grows, and develops brain cells. It also creates the space the brain cells need to self-mend for the healing process. Soon you will notice your thought process improve, with thinking faster, better and more clearly. Eventually, like in your youth, you will enjoy a sharp memory, amazingly helping you recall every name at the party, or even obscure matters nobody knows. For more information, please click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and happy day.